I'm Jeremy.
And I'm Gillian. Along with our two children, Jed and Zakaya, we are currently living in and exploring the South Island of New Zealand.
Please join us on our adventures. We are one for the road. Morning guys, we're all packed ready to go for Queenstown. Kids are in the car, pretty keen to go. So yeah, we're going to get on the road. Beautiful day, sun's out, guns out, love it. Awesome, we'll see you on the road, let's go. Pulling over, we're just cruising through Dipton. It's just a small town, sort of halfway between Winton and Lumsden. So there's not all that much here. There's a mechanic and a little dairy. There is a park and some toilets, but we tend to stop at Lumsden, which is sort of halfway. Yeah. Hi Jed. And yeah, so we normally pull over for the kids at Lumsden. They can have a quick play and go to the toilet, run around for 5 minutes, get rid of some energy, and then we hit the track again. But yeah, so that's Dipton. It's it'd be about 30-40 minutes north of Invercargill, I'd say. And so this is, it's like the scenery around here, the landscape's all farming. There's a lot of sheep, cattle and deer. So yeah, the land's pretty cool out here, just sloping hills and that. And then once we get over there's like a bit of a range, I think it's just before Lumsden, then the scenery changes. You get into the mountains and whatnot. There's a bit of snow, and yeah, it's pretty nice up there, but you'll see the changes as we go.
Hey guys, we just started to get to Lumsden and Zakaya, and there's Zakaya just minding her own business. She's gonna run down that, and she's gonna slide on her bottom. and that's pretty good. And there's a park right over there, and Zakai's going to the green park right now. And hope you have a good time, and bye. Done.
So we're just in Lumsden. We normally pull up here if we're heading up Queenstown way or the likes of that. Yeah, there's a good little park here for the kids to get out of the car and stretch your legs for a few minutes. Got good amenities there and whatnot. It is a free camp. I think we've said that before, but yeah, it's pretty handy little spot to stop along the way. So yeah, it's cool. Nice little day. It was beautiful when we left Invercargill. Clouds are slowly sort of coming in, but hopefully once we get up to Central it'll open up again. We've just stopped for a quick bite to eat. Got our little picnic set up there. Got stuck into it. Kids are having a bit of fun, seeing if they can't spot a trout. Jilly's taking a few happy snaps. The scenery here is beautiful. Like, check that out. Awesome. Right down to here, they've done a bit of work down here. I'd say some flood waters moved a bit, so they've had the machinery and sort of pushing it back up and whatnot, but absolutely beautiful down here. But yeah, so we're like, I don't know, a kilometre, maybe 2 kilometres from Athol on the Queenstown side. There's a little walking bridge down there. Yeah, so we just park the other side, walk back across, and then just come through, walk down along the river, set up, and we are definitely the only ones here. Trout fishing season's just about to start back up here, so yeah, there'll be guys passing through every day soon. So we beat them to it though for the day, have a little picnic, and then yeah, we're going to keep going.
This was where I had my first picnic. Pretty exciting and pretty.
Alrighty, so yeah, just cruising back to the car. I'll show you how good my shoes are. These are my rock climbing shoes because we're in some pretty good country here. It's a bit rugged and whatnot, but I thought I'd wear my rock climbing shoes out with me good socks. I love these. I'll go to the pub in these. It's all about comfort, built for comfort, not speed, isn't that right? But nah, check that out. How good is it? Beautiful. Love it. It's awesome.
Just put in at Queenstown and it is a beautiful sunny day, a lot nicer than Invercargill weather, which is funny because it's meant to be snowy up here. The water is just absolutely amazing. It's probably the warmest weather I've seen in about 3 months.
And I just saw a trout down in there.
And Jed just saw a trout down there.
And a little shark. I saw a baby shark right swimming right under over there.
It's a cool place for the kids to run around, as you can tell. As long as they don't fall in the water, because it would be absolutely freezing. Yeah, I'll take you up to have a look at this train.
Rainbow trout, see him? He out near that stick now, Zach, towards the end of it. He's about to go out into the sun, hopefully. Looks like they had a wee flood.
Where?
Yeah, look at the level. Up to where we are now, we were just sitting. That's where the lake level was in 1999. And that's where the lake level's meant to be. That would have been a bit scary. What do you reckon? Going for a bit of a swim?
No.
Too cold?
I'll show you how to get up.
Come on.
I know how to get up.
Are you jumping, Jed?
Whee!
Whoa.
Is it getting up here? Yeah!
Lipstick red, Uru sunset, no one knows it yet. Me and her together in this old Corvette, just kiss the past goodbye. She's got one foot out the window, and I've got my hand on the wheel, singing free bird, laughing like crazy, looking for something, nothing but love to believe in. Somewhere a rainbow is out there, until we find it, we're driving and singing free bird. Baby says, how about the Gold Coast? I got beaches there. I just smile and tell her, baby, I don't care, as long as I've got you.
Hey guys, our next video is going to be in Queenstown. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Yeah.
And like and subscribe and subscribe.
We'll see you in Queenstown, guys.
See you, Queenstown.
Subscribe.
Woohoo!
Subscribe.
Yeah, I think that's his new favourite word. See you guys, bye.
See ya.
Driving and singing free bird, singing free bird. We chase the lightning across the sky, and take these wheels as far as they can drive, till we find that a place we can spend our lives. Singing free bird, laughing like crazy, looking for something, nothing but love to believe